Happy Cinco de Mayo. We got, cheers. We've got a fun dinner plan for you. Celine's going to start off. Hi, everybody. Send them kisses out to everybody since we're doing Cinco de Mayo at home this year instead of out where we're supposed to be partying at the fun bars in Ocean City. But we can't do that this year, so we're doing second best for everybody, right? Together, just a little teeny tiny family. So go ahead, Celine, tell them what you started with. Because yours has to go in the oven for a little bit.
Yep. So, well, first we made our margaritas, of course. And then I'm doing the stovetop mac and cheese in our cast iron skillet. Comes in our season's best. So you guys who are receiving this, you'll be able to make it yourself. So over here, I have our cheeses and our milk and our cream. That's thickening up. I'm going to add our pasta to that in just a second. And we have sausage and peas that are going to go in there as well. And then we'll coat the topping with panko crumbs and extra cheese, and it'll broil in the oven for a few minutes. And that's it. And these are our cast irons. They are on sale right now. The set is for $99. You get the 12-inch and the 10-inch, and they're amazing. Mine just came in the mail.
And they're on sale for $99, but
if you host, you get it for 60% off, which is awesome, awesome, awesome.
39 buckaroos for two of those babies.
That's
right?
nothing.
Woohoo!
Joyce, your turn. You show them our chicken fajitas.
Well, did you tell them? Are you telling them the rest, or you want me to head over here? This is good.
Over here,
We'll flip flop back and forth.
Go ahead.
So, guys, this is the 12-incher. This is my favorite skillet. This is what I make all my cakes with, my pineapple upside down, all those chocolate cherry cheeses. But tonight we're doing chicken in here. So we took our stuff. Yes, it does. The handles come off. You don't need to take the handles off unless you put them in the oven, because that's the beauty of the cookware. It's oven safe too, but the handles come off and they're really easy. Slide on and off, and it makes it easier for stacking them too. So that's super cool. So what we did, and I took my big 8-incher. He's my 8-inch chef knife, and we just chopped our chicken up just like that. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about chicken in just a minute. And now it's time to go ahead and add our peppers in here. And Celine, if you can get some more seasoning, because I just threw it back.
Sure, under here.
And yes, and Southwestern or the Chipotle, whichever one you like the best.
I like the Southwestern Pampered Chef seasonings, guys. They're rubs. They're so good.
And then we'll squeeze some the garlic presses in here, guys. Squeeze some fresh garlic in there. There, baby. Give it some garlic.
Sure.
Shoot some garlic in there. And
Garlic press, $20. Favorite item.
Stainless steel lasts forever and ever and ever. In and out of that dishwasher over and over.
You don't even have to peel them.
Yep, and squeezes right out. And the heck cleaner's probably not in there, right? It usually isn't, so.
No.
Nope, he's not there. Here we go. We'll just use a knife, but that's the gorgeous part of it. No stinky fingers ever again.
Nope.
So that's the beauty of that. Now, the cookware is what we're talking about. Lifetime warranty, forever and ever and ever, no matter what. No matter how much your kids or your spouse destroys it, they still take care of it for you. That's pretty gorgeous. We love that part. Same as with the cast iron pans. Lifetime warranty. How many stores do you go to and you get that offer? And remember, guys, Pampered Chef's been around 40 years. Yep, celebrating our 40th anniversary this October. So you can certainly depend on them. No problems at all. So what we did is we put our chicken, we gave them a couple minutes ahead, okay, added our
Chipotle.
peppers in there, and put a little bit of seasoning in there. Did you already put some? I don't want to put too much. Oh, okay. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice up our onions. My girlfriend's over here. I don't think, have you ever used the slicer?
I've watched you use it.
Well then, come on, let's do it. And you know, one of the things you can slice right on the side, okay, right like this. So you're going to take this guy off and stick him right in there and just go up and down with him. So here's the beauty of it. Yeah, put him in this little guy, right like that, okay? So he doesn't flip-flop back and forth on you. So you just slice right like that. So you go ahead and do that.
Right.
Or we can slice into a bowl too. So Let's see what blade is he on. Let's give him a little bit more thickness here.
Yep.
Yeah. I can't see. I don't have my glasses
Should I
on.
go to 1?
Let's go to 2. What was he on?
I think he was on 2.
Was he on 2? Let's go to 3.
3?
There we go.
That makes
We
the
want it to
slices
be-
bigger.
Yes.
Yep.
Here, you gotta put pressure. There we go. Can you guys see? We gotta move Celine's drinky out of there.
There we go.
Joshy made the drinks tonight, so we'll be able to show you them in just a little bit too.
I think I'm good.
Okay, so then do you want to do the other ones?
Oh no,
Here.
I didn't push hard enough.
You gotta.
She's the pro.
Oh, well, because it's the first time you used it, this piece has to go in too.
Okay.
So you're pushing down like that. See that? Ta-da! He's all gone. So go ahead, baby. You do the other one, and I'll throw this guy in there and get him started cooking.
Look at those rings.
Look at those rings. Perfect onion rings every time. So, okay, I gotta take the hat off for a minute because it's making my bags fall down. I can't see.
Your vines.
Did I? I had it all going at one time. There you go. Perfect, girlfriend.
There we
See,
go.
it's that centerpiece. He's the pusher. He's the
That's
pusher.
awesome.
He does all the work there. And guys, first, second, or third. So it goes thinnest to coarseness in there. The thicker you want them. But when you're making like homemade potato chips in our air fryer that are absolutely fabulous, you want those babies super skinny fun.
Bring them on
That's
camera.
only 50% off.
I know you want him.
That means nobody else can even buy that
Nope.
thing.
John.
That, you know what? 10,000 of them are gone. So we need.
No,
to-
don't click that.
Okay.
So, okay, we're putting onions in there. One more. Should I? Miss Lane, you behind me?
Yep.
You
I
doing the
saw-
last onion?
Oh, yep.
Last
I can do
onion?
that for you.
Yep. Because what? If we have extra, we just get leftovers, right? And put some seasoning on there. Voila. And then we're going to go back to your dish.
Okay.
So guys, it's all about quick and easy and using that great cookware. We love it.
I'm struggling now.
Okay, here you go.
This way?
Stick them in here, right?
Okay.
Stick them in. Stick them in there, and then you just slide right up and down, okay? So just like that, and boom, 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 boom,
There
boom.
we go.
I've only done this about 10,000 times, so we got a little bit more. And you know what? We're gonna take a little bit of this to make our salsa with too. So, okay, we'll throw some in there.
MFP.
The MFP. Joshy knows it. Doing a good job. Here, baby, put some seasoning on, stir, stir, and just let them simmer for a couple minutes. Good job over there. Let's throw these in, because these are going to help us make our salsa in just a little bit.
I reshowed
So-
them, but I'll show you again the Southwest Pampered Chef seasoning mix.
So guys, if you don't understand what's going on in the background, I have one camera going and those guys have another camera going. So we're hitting two audiences at the same time. So this is going to be for our salsa.
Our double party.
Voila, look at that baby.
So easy.
MFP, manual food processor. It's got to have item on your list. Now guys, don't worry about writing any of these recipes down because we're going to have them all out to you in just a little bit. Before Celine leaves, I'll have her get them out. If she's getting out to her group, she might as well get out to my group, right? So that's our MFP, and what's next?
So
How's your glide doing over there?
doing good.
I'll
I
put my
think-
lid on.
What do you think? Should I add some flour and thicken it up?
Yeah, let's thicken it up.
Thicken it up.
I don't know.
What did it say to do? We've never made that one before. I've done the fajitas all the time.
We
so.
have a vegetarian, so we had to kind of change the recipe a little bit.
Hey,
We didn't have to. We wanted to.
Yes.
Right? We wanted to.
you're
So
forced. I'm special.
I
We
think
can do a little bit of flour, right?
we can sprinkle a little bit of flour, but with those noodles, that noodle's going to suck
let's
it
put
in
it in
there.
there. Okay.
Let's suck it
Let's
in.
add-
Suck
let's add
it
the
right
noodles.
in. So, and guys, if you don't know, these are our specials this month. So love these too. Stainless. Everything's about
Guest
stainless
specials.
nowadays. It's the big boy and the little boy.
What are
So
those called?
These are called your
Nylon.
nylon slotted
Turner.
Turner.
and
That's
your big boy Turner. I don't know the name of it.
Those are our free gifts, right?
That's our free
They're our
gifts.
Free
free
gifts.
gifts. When you spend $80.
They're pretty cool, right?
Yes,
We
you
like
got
Yeah,
it.
one or the
We
other.
like it.
Need to know the name of it.
So
We do know
Just
the
the big
name.
we
guy.
don't need to know the names. We just can make up stuff.
She said the name right.
So when Selena's doing, she's putting the peas in there. Go ahead, you talk. I'll be your stir.
Doing the
But
peas
you're
and
gonna
the-
tell them how you're doing the. Go ahead. You
I'm
want
gonna
it done?
add the pasta to it, just the noodles.
And this is my favorite pot. What Selena's using now, it's I call it the all-in-one pot, but they even have a different name for it. Woo, he fills it up. Okay,
Yeah.
you be the stirrer, girl, and I'll show them this guy. Look at this pot. This is super cool. So this is a collapsible steamer that comes with this guy too. He collapses really easy if he's just sitting on a flat surface, but I have him this way. So you can collapse them for storing. That's super great, right? Put them down a little bit if you just want to use them for a steamer. Not even in this pot, just a steamer for any old thing. And then you got the big boy down there. So he
Use
sits
that
right
for
inside
your,
there.
for your broccoli.
And for our broccoli, especially the kind you buy in those huge bags, they're this big. This guy
You
is
got that?
also,
You
when
have
you
that.
collapse this, no, his broccoli that he has, he doesn't have this. When you collapse this would also be a shield on top. If you don't want to use it, you know, your lid on there and you want the steam to come out of it. And it keeps things from bubbling over. So
That's so nice.
silicone,
60% off.
is 60%
Host a
off.
party.
Silicone's what it's all about nowadays.
That's true.
So go ahead, you take
So,
over.
Guys, we have our panko and some cheese mixture here, Parmesan freshly grated with our, I used the coarse grater. So here we go. This is awesome. You put your cheese right in the block, just like the onion slicer. So that guy will put the cheese block in there and you will grate away without ever getting your fingers, okay? So he's awesome. So we're gonna top the pasta and then we're just gonna let it broil for a couple minutes and it will be all done.
Nice and bubbly. And then we'll be adding sausage to ours, and Kylie will be enjoying his the healthy way.
Yep, so you
Right?
can add sausage if you'd like. We're gonna do ours afterwards and he's gonna brown in the oven for a few.
It looks great.
It does.
It looks great. We're impressed. First time. First
Those
time we
are
made that.
Our rubber Pampered Chef, what are they? The blockers.
And they protect your arms from all those little burn spots.
Oh.
And what we're going to do in here is
Pretty
we
neat.
have,
Done
we're
that a
going to
million
put
times.
our little tortilla shells in here and just warm them up. So you warm those up right in the microwave. Super simple, easy, and the cool thing is it's not just for those. It's called a tortilla warmer. But I've done pancakes in there, I've done waffles in there for the kids because you know what, they want 4 and it takes them a half hour to eat one pancake.
Just
so,
like they're looking
It
at the
actually
camera.
works really well. Joycey made me lunch with it today. She
I
made me a
did.
little wrap and it was awesome.
I did.
Yep.
I don't know what they're doing over there, but I guess
So that you're only looking at one camera.
Oh, okay.
I got it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to top it when they come out. We're going to. Now here's something I would be doing, but I don't want to hold you guys up all that time. I would take my double burner. Oops. Oh, we should probably turn him off, huh? I would take my double burner griddle, and I would put these guys. We're going to use them soft, but if you want crispy ones, okay, just take your little spritzer real quickly, and I'm not going to
Our
spritz it
Pampered
because
Chef
we're going to do
spritzer.
the soft ones. Pump it up, right?
Pump it up.
Go ahead, show them. Just spray down there because we're not
Just
going
right here.
And that's how easy it comes out.
So put any type of oil in there, any type you'd like.
So go the healthy
Much
way.
better than those cans.
Yep. And we're doing low carb wraps because that's what we happen to have here.
Perfect.
So if you wanted to brown these, char them is what they call.
Carbs.
So you could char them right on top. These are super low carb. 7 for this whole thing.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. And we could put 2 or 3 of them on, or throw them out on your grill too. So just char them up a little bit, flip them over, and then they're going to be absolutely beautiful, and you're going to have that little bit of a crust to them. That's how they serve them at TGIFs. They get the crispies on there.
Yep.
So that's the beauty of that. Then we're going to take and do a little dollop of sour cream. And I thought I had green onions, but I don't. And we didn't go to the store, so shame on us. So let's see how this is doing. We're going to plate this baby up. Oh, who's going to talk about the drinks?
Dad.
Dad, Josh, get over there. Dad's going to run
Josh,
like
you
that.
do it.
He's going to have to go to the
What do we got?
bathroom all of a sudden.
So these look delicious. Josh, tell us about our margarita, please.
Our
Yes.
margaritas.
And our pictures.
Yes, in our picture.
This is their Pampered Chef pitcher. Yep. Perfect for
If
stirring.
you guys can't see it on the camera, it mixes up the bottom, like where the agave sits, and then it floats it up to the top.
Well, pump it so they can see it.
He did.
Well, I did.
You
Oh,
did.
you
I
I'm
did.
sorry, I wasn't looking.
And that made us into our beautiful drink. Here you go. Yeah, that.
Yay! So he did our typical margarita mix, tequila, triple sec,
Yep.
Jose Cuervo. It tastes delicious.
And we did the skinny margarita dip.
Oh yeah.
We did the
Skinny margarita
that was
mix.
Skinny,
Yep.
the mix. I'm sure the tequila isn't, but at least we went skinny half the way, right?
Yep.
So, and we didn't decorate it up, but we could get a little. Here, Josh, fill it up. Fill mine and your baby's up.
It's got to be empty for me to fill.
Well, oh my gosh, that was a cutie. Yeah, that was a good play there. Did you hear what he just said? And the girls get strawberries on theirs. The boys don't.
Here you go,
Boys
Kyle.
don't care
I'm
about
gonna make a
strawberries.
fajita for us real quick, right?
Oh, you want to do that?
Should I plate one up?
Give us a minute. I
Okay.
think it's still a little. How long does your guy stay in there?
Oh, ice maker is over there.
Let me double check. 1 to 2
guys-
minutes.
Oh,
Might be
1 to 2
done.
minutes. It says watch it,
Get to
Chip.
the ice
So this is
Oh,
something
perfect.
Let me
I
get to the ice
always
maker.
want you guys to see because this saves you so much. Most people take a knife and go through the bottom of the strawberry and you lose a quarter of it, right? So what you do is you just take this little core baby in here and you go straight around right like that and voila, he's done. And that's what we stick on the side of our cups. That's what I was going to do with it. And I should have limes, and I have limes, but when you're like me and Celine, right? We're cooking every day, so we took the skin off of our lime to make something else this morning, so what can we
We
say?
zested it.
And I like it to be pretty. Go ahead, you talk about that.
These are
I
my
like it to be
favorite,
pretty.
guys. I know they might look silly and this might sound silly, but I hate wearing those big oven mitts because they get in your food. If you're trying to get something out of the microwave or the air fryer, the big guys don't work. These are awesome.
She's talking about me.
You look like a Muppet.
I love them though. They're super cheap and they're super little and they work so well. So now when I go into the oven, I don't have to put on those huge oven mitts.
And I will tell you guys, the cast iron, these are to die for. Remember, lifetime warranty, made in the USA. That's always something really important there too.
Looks good.
But
That looks awesome.
brand new to Pampered Chef, brand new to Pampered Chef. So I also fan my strawberry. So I'm going to give Celine one that's just a little bit prettier. And we did this with our little egg slicer. So isn't it cute?
Oh, sure.
Everybody say yes, yes, it's cute. So we'll put it in, how do we do this? The side of the cup like this? There we go. You know what I'm
With
trying
the
to
egg
make
slicer,
pretty.
that's
We
beautiful.
didn't do it really pretty, but
Oh, so you sliced it.
Yep, with this guy.
and we kept the hiney on it. And I'm looking for those 2 little pans. Oh,
See that?
Look at changing.
new baby in town coming out in just about 2 more weeks. It's the little cast iron guy. So
Oh yeah.
maybe you say I'm super cool. And
It's gonna be perfect for our cookies. You make a little cookie in there, top it with ice cream like you get at the restaurants. What are they called? I forget, but drizzle some chocolate on them.
Some
whipped
creme,
cream.
creme brulee.
You can make creme brulee
look
in
how
there.
cute they are. So guys, you know what? It took us about 20 minutes to make this beautiful dinner. So let's plate it up. We're going to eat. I was going to make biscuits, but I think we're doing without the biscuits. Remember? Remind them one more time.
One more time,
One
guys.
more time.
Our air fryer, Pampered Chef air fryer, doesn't just air fry, it bakes, it roasts, it rotisseries, reheats, which is great for pizza, and it dehydrates if you want to make your own healthy beef jerky, which is really important to me. I hate all the additives that they add into it. He is so back ordered that they're not selling them to customers right now. Only Host can purchase. So Host will get him for 50% off. So it's a 2-in-1 deal. You host a party, you get all your free goodies, you get him for half off.
And you get your cookware.
Yeah, and you get all your cookware for 60% off. You really can't lose. None of this is made up. I swear I wouldn't lie to you guys. This is so worth it.
And if you ever think that people are not buying right now,
Oh, they are.
only have $16,000 in sales just this past month of April. This is unbelievable. This is just me. Celine started a week ago. Well, in 1 week,
Yeah.
to 3,000. Brand new.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We're not telling stories here.
Just doing it all from home. Super easy.
Everybody is eating right now, and they're learning to cook all over again, and they're learning to get around the table with their family and their friends. That's the beautiful thing. We're bringing old-time family cooking back home. So we're going to plate you up a plate. Now, guys, recipes are going to be out, so be coming. We're going to have dinner first, so come and look at us probably in about another 45 minutes to an hour. They'll be out there for you. Have a blessed, blessed, blessed day. Oh, are you waiting on me? And don't forget, keep on checking on us pretty much every day because we're cooking in the kitchen every day. Sometimes together, sometimes apart. But we're sort of, oh, there's a ticket in it. This must be a lucky winner of somebody. So we'll plate them up and wrap them in there. And oh my gosh, he looks kind of yummy to me. And we'll just put some cheese right on top of him because I think it's so warm, it's going to melt right on there. Don't you think? I think so. So, Celine?
Yep.
Let me throw some of this on there. Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Yes, it does. It smells good.
Fill it up. We like a lot.
We do.
We like a lot.
Get some more onion in there. Oh, perfect. Freshly
Perfect.
grated cheese is also the way to go, guys.
No
Don't
wax.
ever buy that pre-made, pre-cut stuff from the store.
Ooh, he looks beautiful.
He
looks
does.
beautiful.
This is our Cinco De Mayo meal.
So wrap him up and let's slap a little bit of sour cream on him. I know this is a big thing. I should be having a little spoon, but right now, anything works. Now this is
These are our
yummy in the
sprinklers.
tummy. And we were going to have, I boo-booed. I can't say we at all. I boo-booed because we were going to have our other ring
Guacamole.
sauce on there, but
Our guacamole.
ring sauce didn't show up today. I forgot to buy the avocado. So we're going to do it the white way today. Not the right, but the white. Blessings to everybody. Have a beautiful night. And don't forget about all of our goodies. Come back and watch us.
Thanks for
Our
tuning
links will be
in.
right out on there with you so you can follow us all the time, each and every day. Blessings.
Blessings.
Happy Cinco.
Bye.